Hi guys, Oashia is here. Oin drops new patch. Alchemist Codex.
BAM!
Peanut butter and jam!
What the fuck are you doing, Phil?
I'm sorry, Potion Codex. And we are all know. Oatia very likes alchemy. It does mean we will have more damage, more survivability, and more poison Dexxer's builds. More buffs. And little bit defense. More explosions. Oh yeah boy. We love to explode some asses. Let's talk about cooldowns. You can see some of them on my screen. As Hansa Poison Dexxer, we should know when Explosion Potion is ready. We should know when Bulwark is active. We should know Taunt cooldown. Go to Options menu. And on very bottom cooldowns. Explosion Potion. Cooldown is 15 seconds. System message, your Explosion Potion. Bulwark. Cooldown 3 seconds after walk. Cooldown for taunt is 15 seconds. System message, which creature do you wish to taunt? I can recommend few builds for the patch. First one is my classic Poison Dexxer build. Have parry for good defense. Have 100 fencing for good accuracy. I recommend this build for new players. You can easily farm high level places with very cheap sweet. This is big pro for new player. Second variation of same build, but more alchemy and less fencing. You will have more damage with the build, but expensive accuracy weapon is required for comfortable farm. Third one is something new. The Green Alchemist. You losing parry. But who cares? We going to kill sheet. Not die from sheet, right? Alchemy Codex will compensate some effective HP and heals per second. But be careful. It's easy to die with no parry. It's all for today. Hope you doing great and have fun. See you later.